Hello, welcome back. If you're here, it's because you would like to know more about this power washer. All right, so we have the power washer gun. It's pretty slick. I mean, it feels durable. We have the soapy bottle, small, it's not big. You could actually hold it in the palm of my hands, which is also good because that way it doesn't have to take up a lot of water and a lot of soap. We have the power supply, which is to charge the power brick. This is the power brick. It feels a little bit light, so I'm concerned as of how well it will do, but of course we will check it out. We have a water hose. It's very thin. It looks to be pretty good, flexible. It's not bad at all. Let me see. Not bad at all. Okay. We have the extension for the water gun. See? All right, good. So yes, this holds on pretty well. All right. We have a filter for the water hose. We have the power head with multiple functions, and it's graded on the side from 0, 15, 25, 40, and so on. Okay. We have two additional pressure tips. We have a 40 and we have a 0. This is good. And of course, lastly, we have the user manual. As is always the case, make sure to read it so that you understand how to operate your device. All right, I'm gonna assemble this, put this together, and put it to the test. Okay, so I assembled it, put it together, and we are going to put it to the test. Let's see how it works. Okay, friends, so I have a bucket with a little bit of water. I have the gun already assembled. Let me come over here and try and remove some of this dirt, see more or less how it goes. Okay. All right. The truth is that for simple tasks, something that is not super demanding, this will definitely do. It will clean difficult to reach places. It's portable. It's not heavy at all. I really do like the way it feels. I don't like that this moves though. I don't know what is up with this, but it is already inside, so it's not like it's coming off. It's where it's supposed to be, but everything looks to be pretty good. All right, there you go. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns to ask, and if at all possible, I will reply. Thank you, and until the next one.